Welcome to Bobby Joe's. Today we're going to make some crispy chicken wings. We're going to bake these in the oven. So my spices, I have a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. What am I missing? And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now the recipe calls for more salt than that, but I think it calls for a teaspoon of salt, but I don't want that much salt on mine. So we got a 1/4 teaspoon. Just gonna mix all that together. Put it in a Ziploc bag. You're gonna put 2 tablespoons, oh no, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Might help if I had my measuring spoons out, but I don't. We're just gonna guesstimate. Okay, so we've got baking powder, salt, pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, onion powder is not one of the ones on the recipe, but I like onion powder on my stuff, so you're just gonna mix it all up in there with the baking powder. I have my baking pan with this rack on it, and I've sprayed it down with olive oil. You want to make sure that your chicken wings are dry. So pat them down good with paper towel and just throw them in the Ziploc bag. You want to make sure your oven is preheated on 250 degrees. You want to place the oven rack in the lowest position in the oven, then preheat it on 250. Then you're going to also want an oven rack on the highest position. We're going to start off on the lowest position. 250 degrees is what you're preheating it on. Now we're just going to toss it around in this bag. Get everything good and coated. This makes about a pound of chicken wings. So if you want more than that, you just make double, triple, whatever of the seasoning mix. Then we're going to put it on this rack. You don't have to flip these or anything. We have an odd number. I guess that means I get 5 wings and he gets 4. I'm not getting any comments from over there at the dinner table. If you don't have a rack, you can do it on parchment paper in your baking pan, but it comes out crispier if you have a rack. I've done it with the parchment paper. It comes out, they're good, but it comes out a lot crispier on this rack. So we're going to place it in a 250 degree oven. These are going to go in the 250 degree preheated oven on the lowest position. The rack needs to be on the lowest position of the oven for 30 minutes. So set your timer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're going to increase the oven temperature to 425. And then we'll move the wings up to the upper rack and bake for 45 minutes. So first, this is 30 minutes. I forgot to show y'all when I put it on the top rack. After it cooked for 30 minutes, I put it on the top rack, turned it up to 425, and cooked it for 45 minutes. And now they are done. So I got this KitchenAid spatula. This thing is very nice. It makes the best eggs. It works as a good fish spatula. It may have been a good idea if I would have put some aluminum foil in the bottom of the pan to catch all of that. Make for easier cleanup. I'll put Amazon links in the video description for this pan. Also for the spatula. Anything I use in my videos, if I buy it on Amazon, I'll leave links in the video description. So just check my videos. If you see something you like, just click on that link and it'll take you to my store page and you can check it out. Usually, everything I get off of Amazon, I do a review video on my store page if you want to see a review of certain things. Alright, we're going to try these, see what they taste like. Alright, the sun's coming through the window, so it's kind of... Are they crunchy or crispy?
Yeah, very good. Tasty, moist.
Is it too hot as far as spicy or perfect?
No. Got a good flavor to it. I like it. 2 thumbs up, drool worthy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Y'all have a blessed day.